Be ready. Start. At the outset, I must clear some misunderstanding which has arisen in some quarters as a result of the new name given to the family planning program, the name being Family Welfare Program. I do not see why there should have been any misunderstanding in this matter. As a matter of fact, the name Family Welfare Program is far more suitable and meaningful in this connection in my view. Family planning touches only one aspect. The health of the people does not depend only on population control. As a matter of fact, population control is necessary, but merely controlling population is not going to make people healthy. And health also is a means to an end that enjoy happiness if he is not healthy. It is therefore necessary that people should be enabled to keep healthy. It is not possible for any person to keep somebody healthy unless that person cooperates in that task, and therefore it is very necessary that we educate the people on this subject as to how to maintain health and help them to do so. Population has become a serious problem in this country because we are poor and the means of production are not available for every person. If a means of production were available for every person and had been provided, population would not have been a problem. As a matter of fact, every person produces more than he needs if given proper opportunity to work. Moreover, when everybody has work and is happy, population control comes in automatically on account of psychological progress. But at present, it is a very serious problem. If population goes on increasing at the rate it has gone on increasing, all our programs for giving work and providing means of production with inadequate resources would be futile. It is therefore very vital that we should control the population, and therefore population control becomes also a major program. During the past 2 years, family planning program became rather a menace to the people because it was being forced on them, especially the program of vasectomy. It was indiscriminately done, and that is what would happen if it is to be done only in order to count the heads. It is decided that so many people have got to be vasectomized so that the growth rate goes down. What we have said is that we cannot have a program for the welfare of the people by means of coercion. Stop.